Not sure where to start with your numbers? Stuck trying to figure out a spreadsheet formula? In this week's quick tip, we'll explore ways that AI can help you decode complex spreadsheets. While we are not currently able to use Gemini directly in Google Sheets, there are still a few ways it can help. You can upload or attach spreadsheet files to a chat, but often it is best to simply paste the URL for the spreadsheet directly into your chat. You can ask questions about the sheet and gain insights on possible analysis options. Gemini can walk you through the process of setting up formulas or pivot tables. If you already have an analysis goal in mind, you can ask Gemini for help solving the problem. Describe the problem and the fields involved. Gemini should be able to identify a solution and even help you set up the formula. If your formula involves multiple sheets, double-check the names. Sometimes Gemini gets those confused. Lastly, if you're signed into Chrome, you can use Gemini for Chrome to get insights right from the sheet. It can use the tab sharing feature to see some of what is going on with your sheet and give you some help from the same window. Thanks for watching. See you next time.